thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of you. Okay, my fellow graduates. So today marks a significant milestone in our lives as we gather together to celebrate the culmination of a journey at Genesis Medical Training Center. As a student of the senior weekend class, under the exceptional guidance of Nurse Bibi Henderson, we have transformed from eager learners into competent and compassionate nursing assistants. This day, July 29, 2024, is a testament of our dedication, perseverance, and unwavering support from those around us. Throughout our time here, we have faced numerous challenges that tested our resolve, commitment, balancing work, family, and studies. Weekend demanded a unique level of discipline and determination. Yet, with the encouragement of a remarkable instructor, Ms. Bibi Henderson,